What's up, guys? So today we have a fun little quarantine project. We're going to be tie-dyeing sweatsuits. We've seen a lot of them online and they're just kind of like outrageously priced for something that you could just do yourself. So we're going to be doing that. We have our tarp all set up. I'm going to show you all of the colors we got. We got so many different colors. We want to do a couple different sets. So I'll show you all the colors first. All of this is Rit Tie Dye. So fuchsia, we have tan, evening blue, denim blue, taupe, hyacinth, rose quartz, and then Tyler's gonna do neon green and black. So I think that is gonna be his combo. I eventually want to do like this combo. I feel like would look really cool, like tan and taupe. But I think today I'm gonna do, I think I might actually do both. Should I do both sweatsuit sets? I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm gonna do fuchsia and rose quartz together, and then denim blue and evening blue. That looks cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're gonna do that. We have our wet sweatsuits that we bought on Amazon, and then we have 3 little things of hot/warm water that we're gonna pour the dye in as a little solution. Okay. You'll need rubber bands, gloves, and obviously your tie-dye. A little bucket of hot water so you could just mix as a solution. These little, we didn't have like actual bottles, so we're just using like old ketchup bottles. It's the same thing, you just need something that you can actually like squeeze the solution out of. So that is what we're doing. I guess I'll do jacket first. These jackets and the sweatpants we got on Amazon. I'll link everything down below, including all the tie-dye colors and stuff. I ended up getting an off, like a gray version, just a little bit different. I feel like it'll be fine with the tie-dye, we'll see. And these sweats are actually really nice. I got an extra small in men's and they're champion. So, super cool. Tyler's already going at it. All right, so I think we're just gonna do like a crumple design. I just want it to be like kind of random. So I'm gonna crumple this up. We are about done. Tied all of this up, just kind of like scrunched it. Just gonna try and like separate it and make sure everything will get a little color. And then I have the pants as well. So I think I'm gonna do the blue one first, denim blue. I'm just gonna put like drop. My face is cut off. I'm trying to show you and also talk about it, but now I'm gonna do another jacket. I'm gonna do fuchsia and rose quartz. I don't know if I want to do the pants yet, we'll see. I've kind of run out of rubber bands, so we're kind of shit out of luck in that department. But what I did is I went ahead and added some more warm water. I dumped out my other solution and I just basically filled back up the buckets with warm water. Now I'm gonna do the same thing again, just with these colors. You can see, but just adding a couple drops. Now time to dye this baby. I'm trying to get it away from the other colors that I used, but I'm basically gonna put it back into this little bottle. I'm doing it in like varying patterns just so that the color is not all in one place since I'm using 2 colors. Ooh, this one's gonna be pretty. A purple and then add a little bit of blue. I think that would look really good. I mean, I like it like that. That looks really cute. All right, we're cleaning up now, but we have both of our tie-dye stuff in here. This is my blue set, and in here is my pink set. We're just gonna let this sit for how long?
6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours. We'll just put it right there and let that sit. And then we will wash it and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited. This turns out good. Tyler was saying that we might buy like actual nice like sweatsuits from either Zara or like an actual like nice material one. Just in case it doesn't turn out good, Amazon is great because you only spend like $12 on the sweats or whatever and you can try again. But if we do really well, we're gonna try it again on some nicer material stuff and we're gonna have some dope sets. We're about to go to the grocery store and Tyler just got these new jackets from Reebok and literally I'm gonna show you guys this outfit right now. Just wait. I mean, this is the only time we get to dress up because we're not going anywhere else. So we're gonna see what his grocery store outfit is.
Well, it's not ready yet.
Oh, it's not ready. Oh, okay.
Hold on, I'm not in my full outfit yet.
Oh my god. He's high maintenance. Yeezys to the grocery store, folks. Yeezys. Who is he? Oh my god. Okay, let's go. We're going to buy some alcohol because it is the weekend and what else are we gonna do? We just need a little drink. So gonna have a little drink. Our tie-dye is still drying. I think it has about like, I don't know, what would you say? Like,
You're like such a hype.
5 more hours? You look like a hype beast. I look like worse than you.
I don't know if I want to look like a hype beast.
I mean, the outfit's cute. It's a cute outfit.
I guess Reebok's not.
I like the jacket. That's what's cute about it. Really cool jacket. If you guys are trying to get a good jacket for your man, Reebok is having a great sale. Oh, he's
I don't
smiling.
know how many are left. This was like a
We'll link his outfit down below.
70% off.
Wow, I'm so proud.
Yeah. This is the pantalones.
Los pantalones.
Oh, those are good. Sweet. You can still kind of see the heathered pattern now.
Yeah, let me see. I could have went heavier. Crop this hoodie. So we don't have a sewing machine, so I'm just going to be using good old needle and thread. So just taking some of this. I do not know how to sew whatsoever. You know, my mom always wanted to teach me how to sew, and I was just always like, eh. Now I'm like, oh, I wish I knew. next day I am just working a little bit, and I forgot to show you guys the hoodies that I did. I ended up cropping them. I only cropped one, the blue one. I'm sorry that this vlog and like tutorial kind of turned into like me just figuring it out. I've never done tie-dye before, so this is like a trial and error for me, but I really love the way that they turned out, so I wanted to show you guys. So I ended up cropping the blue one. I really liked the colorway, like I really like it. It's like, it almost looks like a cloud, and it looks like something that you would buy at Urban Outfitters. And I was gonna keep it long, but then so many people were like, oh my god, if it was cropped, like I would totally buy one, that's so cute. So then I'm like, okay, let me Google and like YouTube how to crop it. So I YouTubed a video on how to crop it. I will leave the video down below. I think she does a lot of like DIY lifestyle videos, and it was super helpful for me. So I literally just like, she had like a sewing machine. I did not have a sewing machine, so I just used like my hand and some thread, and I sewed it together. I obviously showed you guys a little bit of how I did it, but this is basically how it turned out. I got a medium. Like I said, all of the stuff that I use will be linked down below, and I'm actually going to be making a lot more. So I posted the sweater and like how I did it and what I did on Instagram, and a bunch of like my friends and people that I know were like, oh my god, that's so cute, I want one. So I basically was like, okay, like I'm taking orders. If you want one, let me know what you want. Like, this is something fun that I can do during quarantine, and we're stuck at home anyway, so it's like something fun to do when there's nothing to do, you know what I mean? So might as well like be creative and use it as an outlet, but then also make a little bit of money from it. So I'm gonna be making like a bunch of like tie-dye sweats, so like cropped sweats like this, so with the hoodie and then the sweatpants, and then I'm also doing like regular hoodies, crew necks, t-shirts, all of that stuff. So I already have like a list of a bunch of people that want stuff, and I am going to be placing orders today for all of the materials and stuff. So I'm probably going to do another tie-dye video, so you guys will see probably more in depth on how I do it. The last sweatpants that I did, I tie-dyed sweatpants that were supposed to go with this, and they just did not come out good. I think it's because they were heathered. They're actually these ones from Amazon. I recommend them for just like lounging around the house, but I would not buy them if you want to tie-dye clothes. Like, huge disclaimer, do not try and buy these in tie-dye clothes. And like in general, like rule of thumb, don't buy ash sweatpants to tie-dye clothes. If you want to tie-dye something, go with white, all white sweatpants, because that is what is going to look the best. Like, obviously with this, it looks the best because it has a white base. So definitely do white. I am like in love with this hoodie. It's so cute. I'm so happy the little pulley thingies, the strings, ended up washing out in the wash, so it kind of looks like professional and good. And I literally sewed this myself, you guys. Like, who am I? My mom would be so proud. She knows how to sew and is like so professional at that. Like, that was her thing, and I wish I like actually took after her and learned how to sew, but I don't have a sewing machine anyways. But super cute DIY hoodie made by me. If you guys want something to do during quarantine, I highly suggest you buy some hoodies and some sweatpants or anything on Amazon, buy some tie-dye, and just do it as a fun like weekend activity. It's honestly just a great way to pass the time when we're all stuck inside the house. It's something to do, you get outside, you get creative, so it's fun. So that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found a fun thing to do during the weekend or during quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.